our 12-liter milk tea barrel. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 9¼ inches, a depth of 9½ inches, and a height of 17½ inches tall. Coming to the front will be your spout to dispense your milk tea, and at the top will be a handle that can be used as a portable milk tea barrel to go. Coming to the bottom are also 4 legs that can be retracted and have your barrel standing in its position. Coming to the top, the twist cover can be removed, and on the inside is where you store your milk tea or any other product. Dimensions for the interior, we have 13 inches in height and a radius of 7½ inches. Cap can be removed, insert it back onto the top, locking the barrel. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.